Hi, this is my first unboxing of a Dunlop elastic guitar capo. Make sure you can see this. The packaging is very elastic. Let's see what this baby does. So here's the capo itself. Has a rubber rod and an elastic band that is Halloween colors. Black and orange, baby. Very elastic. I think it's gonna be really stretchy over my guitar. Let me try that again. I have a guitar here as well. It's in a weird tuning. Let's see what happens when I put this baby on. Okay, it's on the loosest setting. The loosest of the three settings.